You may have also seen this video of Bill Gates.
The strongest analogy is to medicines. And, is there something to worry about with medicines? That is, might some of them have side effects? Do we need safety testing? And we're taking things that are, genetically modified organisms, and we're injecting them in little kids' arms. We just shoot them right into the vein. So, yeah, I think maybe we should have a safety system where we, do trials and test things out.
Well, on the subject of safety and concerns about side effects of vaccines, I recently saw this interview he did with CBSN.
The side effects for the Moderna vaccine sound concerning. We looked. After the second dose, at least 80% of participants experienced a systemic side effect, ranging from severe chills to fevers. So, are these vaccines safe?
Just watch his body language here.
Well, the FDA
fixes his glasses, touches his nose. He then takes a big swallow here. Here's another moment. Deep breath. Adjusts his seating position. This looks like discomfort to me. He's also focusing on the FDA regulations as opposed to actually answering the question directly.
look hard at that. The FDA is the gold standard of regulators, and their current guidance on this, if they stick with that, is very, very appropriate. And you know, the side effects. Side effects were not super severe. That is, it didn't cause permanent health problems for the things there.
The things there, the what? That sentence sort of got away from him, didn't it?
Side effects were not super severe. That is, it didn't cause permanent health problems for the things there.
Shifts in his chair once again. This is the least articulate I've seen him.
That are
Bill,
going out there, and yes, I think
you know the data
US
better than I do.
government.
But the data showed that everybody with a high dose had a side effect.
And it's the only time I've really seen anyone even challenge him remotely on anything. This is a recent interview, by the way, from July 23rd. Most people get over this virus without any complications, but complications from Bill Gates' vaccines are much more common. It's almost like this isn't about healthcare.
Yeah, but some of that is not dramatic, where, you know, it's just, you know, super painful. But yes.
Yeah, just super painful. Also, what's with the smiling? Everything about this man I just find a little bit off.
How many doses of the vaccine will we need?
Well, none of the vaccines at this point appear like they'll work with a single dose. That was the hope at the very beginning. Maybe one of them, particularly in the second generation, won't surprise us. We hope just two, although in the elderly, sometimes it takes more. And so making sure we have lots of elderly people in the trial will give us that data.
This is the new norm they want. Multiple vaccines for the entire population forever, it seems.
Originally, they told us the flu vaccine, you'll give one shot and you'll have immunity for life. And then it turned out, no, we need to get it every year.
Because there are variations of the flu.
Right, and the same thing is highly likely to happen with coronavirus. And the same thing is highly likely to happen with coronavirus.
Well, none of the vaccines at this point appear like they'll work with a single dose.